men need to understand. The average age of the father has gone up about 3.5 years. And with that, the chance of problems with the child also can increase, and that pregnancy becomes a lot riskier. And this is why.
Dr. Michael Eisenberg is an expert in male sexual function and fertility who's helping us to learn the truth about optimal sexual health.
If you just look at all the data, sperm counts are declining. But low sperm counts and low testosterone could have devastating effects. For example, men with lower semen quality have higher risk of death.
Wow.
And there's a lot of really interesting questions that need to be answered.
Okay, let's get into that. Is there any evidence that the chemicals in our environment are impacting our sperm count and our testosterone levels?
Yes, it's a chemical that's in a lot of creams and lotions that we use. And then there's a chemical that's used in the manufacture of plastic, and that could have pretty devastating effects. And so don't drink out of plastic water bottles.
What about hair loss? I couldn't figure out if low testosterone or high testosterone causes a receding hairline.
Most men are not going to like this, but it turns out that
If I'm sat down all day, is that going to have an impact on my sperm count?
there are studies that do support that. I would say take breaks, stand up to try and air out the area.
What can I do to give myself the best possible chance of increasing my fertility?
So there's a lot that we can do. And usually we start with
And then erectile dysfunction.
hundreds of millions of men all over the world have trouble with erections. But as long as you have a penis, we can always make it hard. For example, we can teach men to give themselves,
Ooh, I just got a shiver down my body.
but it probably works 80 to 90% of the time.